Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorials how to measure arch length. Okay, for example, I will create arch. You can type arch, press enter, and I will create in here. Now there are two options to measure arch length. You can use list command. You can type list, press enter, select this arch object, and enter again. So in here you can see the length about 1176, comma. The other option, you also can use annotations dimensions, or you can go to annotation in here. Click on these tools and choose on arch length. Select the objects and click, so you can see the length of this arch object. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorials how to measure arch length. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.